iTunesU has been around for a while now, and it used to be built into the iTunes app on the iPad. It's now its own app that has its own store or catalog built in. Tap Catalog here to browse through all the iTunesU content. There's a ton of different stuff here from a huge list of colleges and universities, which I can see here, or K through 12 content provided by high schools, education departments, and school districts around the world. Tap on a course to view its description and read reviews. Tap the Materials button to see the downloadable content associated with the course. This course has several video downloads along with audio, text, and one book to be downloaded. The courses on iTunesU are all free. The only thing you may need to end up paying for is a book associated with that course that you would buy through iBooks. So I'll go back to my iTunesU library, and you can see I've downloaded two courses. One is the Moons course we were just looking at in the catalog. The other is an astronomy course from Yale. These are a little different from each other. The Yale course features lecture videos of a professor teaching the class. The Moons course has no lectures, only downloadable videos and books. So let's tap on the Moons course. I begin on an introduction page. On the right, I have tabs representing different parts of the course. Currently, I'm in Info, which will provide the description, something about the instructor, and a course outline. Tap on the Post section, and this is a step-by-step look at the class. I'll go through each post here to complete the course. The Notes section will contain all the notes from this class. As I watch videos or lectures, I'll be able to add notes as it plays. If I'm in a book associated with this course and I take notes in that book, they'll appear here in the Book Notes section. In the last tab, Materials, I'm shown all the downloadable content I'll need for this course. For this course, I'll download one audio file, 10 videos, 4 books, and 1 web link. I can either choose to download these now or wait and download them as I need them while moving through the Posts section. Tap this Info button for a quick description of the item, then tap the down arrow to download it. I'll download this first video. Tap Edit to remove content from your iPad when you no longer need or want it. So now let's go into the Post section and begin the course. I can go through these one by tapping on each in the column on the left. When I select this first post, it's marked as viewed, and the one next to its name is removed. So this shows that I've completed this part of the course. Tap Mark as Unviewed to get the one back. The next post is to watch a video called Mission the Moon. This is the one I've already downloaded, so when I tap to play it, it starts right away. Here in the video player, I have the same controls as a video podcast. I can make this play faster or slower by tapping here in the upper right.
Which is still being analyzed by scientists today.
It's absolutely fantastic to be able to work on the samples that look like by
Or utilize a 30-second replay here. I can also AirPlay this video to an Apple TV. If I were to do that, I could take notes on the iPad while watching the video on a separate screen. If you don't have an Apple TV to AirPlay to, you can pause the video, then tap this arrow to go out to the Post section while the video is playing. So I could switch to the Notes section and take down a note on what I've learned so far. Then tap the Now Playing button to return to the video.
Which is still being analyzed by scientists today.
When I've completed this video, tap this box to mark it as watched. Then tap the next post, Understanding Our Moon. Here I need to do some reading, so I'll tap on the download button to get this book, and then tap to view it in iBooks. I'm supposed to read section 1 and 2 of this book, which according to the contents is about 22 pages. If I take any notes here, they'll be saved in the book notes section of the course. Once I have that completed, I can switch back to iTunesU and tap on the checkbox next to that reading. In the Notes section, I now have the one book note I took. So I can go through this course step by step, viewing and reading all the course materials. At the end, there's an interactive quiz I can take. And in the final post, it gives me some more free learning materials related to this course that I might be interested in. Next, I want to take a quick look at this Yale course on astronomy. This is an actual course taught on Yale's campus. The materials of this course basically consist of video of the lectures, text transcripts of the lectures that have been made available as iBooks, and lecture notes and problem sets that are presented as PDFs.
Welcome back to more of Astronomy 160. The syllabus, if you haven't got it yet, is on the classes server.
So this course is quite a bit different than the first one we looked at. It's more of a traditional college course packaged into iTunesU, rather than a course built specifically for iTunesU, like the Moons course we first looked at.